headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. I ain't fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck in for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating, rolling another. I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that are paying on me. Get every friend in my family. From a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on, I'm too stuck in calm downs like cool steps, like jumping off that roof step. Hit my camera like it's nothing, make moves, make my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? Rolling down, stuck in my seat, I'm trying my friends to shame. I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute.